coffee is the ultimate in evolution from, a prior generation of raw material based economies to produced economies to experiential economies. Will you indulge me in that storytelling for a moment?
It's it's one of my favorite stories. It perfectly exemplifies this progression of economic value that we talk about as the core framework in the book. Because coffee at its core is commodities. It's beans that you grow in the ground and then extract out of the ground and sell it on the open marketplace. And if you look up the future price of coffee and convert it from a per pound to a per cup basis, coffee costs 2 or 3 cents per cup when you treat it as a commodity. But you take those beans and you roast them, you grind them, you package them, put them on a grocery store shelf, and now you get 5, 10, 15 cents per cup of coffee, an order of magnitude more. Then if you perform the service of actually brewing it for a customer in a vending machine, a kiosk, a corner diner, a bodega, or 7-Eleven somewhere, now you get 50 cents, $1, $1.50, $2 per cup of coffee. But you surround the brewing of that coffee with the ambiance and theater of a Starbucks, and now how much you paying? It's $3, $4, $5. So you have one industry with 4 distinct levels of value, all dependent on what business do you think you're in.